What do y'all think of that idea? Like, I like the pool idea, but I gotta be able to reach my stuff. Like, I don't want to be like all over the place. Ashley has one. I might ask Ashley where she got her tape from. Yes, Ashley has a good tank. But y'all only gonna use that tank one time. Hey, cousin Wicked. How are you? Might be able to get a good deal on marketplace. Okay, thank you, Haley. I'm gonna check that out because I only have like a few weeks before I gotta start like getting ready for this. Big enough for little kids to swim also. Oh. Thank you. But I'm super excited, y'all. This I'm gonna dump in my washer. Thank you. Y'all, this color is so pretty. It's like green. All right, y'all. Anybody want to send for cans, laundry? We still have a lot of cans. Let's go. Money train. Choo-choo. So let's do that. Roller always makes me sneeze, y'all. It never fails. Yeah, probably will return to this recycled powder because I still have like 50 something cans. I'm gonna turn this to recycled powder if we can. I haven't made recycled powder in, I can't remember the last time. I think when I first started cleaning pot. Alright, y'all, last in. Excuse me. Hey. Oh, y'all, this is warm. Oh yes, cookout for sure today. And I've been here for it. It is on, it's just on low. I can turn it up. Alright, y'all, we got the puzzle, so we good for another hour. Yeah, it might turn into recycle product. We got 52 cans and more laundry we can add, so if anybody wants to keep adding, we can keep adding. I'm good with y'all for like another 2 hours. So if anybody wants to send, we can do it. Otherwise, we can go ahead and move on. Ooh, this seems nice. We still got 2, 4, 6 liquids to add. Oh, we're gonna use 2 of them for the fake rinse. So if anybody wants to send, let's get 2 more cans, laundry. Let's make this really juicy. Ooh, y'all, this is nice and thick. Alright, y'all, we got 100 and something people in here. Let's get the cans up out of here. Everybody want to add cans? Ooh, this one's thick and heavy. Yo, we're almost sold out. We just got cans available, laundry, and that's gonna be it for our live today. I love it for us. Send 8 for 4 cans. Thanks, babe. Ugh. Oh yeah, we got 4 cans going in. Thank you, beautiful. So 52 minus the 4 cans. Alright, let me add some liquids on here. Yep. Hey, Venus, how are you, girl? Thank you. Venus. Alice, I'm gonna get your epoxy sponge, girl. I know you're about ready for it this time. I have 2 softeners, they're 6. Alright, anybody else want to add cans, laundry? We got 1 big bottle left for 15 Roma, and I got 4 bags of Blanca for 6. If not, we can go ahead and go on to our next thing, and that's going to go ahead and do our stained glass with our dish soap. Oh, y'all, I said I was going to save this, and I already threw the jug away. Yeah, so people, it's time to shine. Powder girlies, where y'all at? I figured you were. Tara Parker to kick butt. Like always. Thursday, I think I missed your comment. Oh my god, I love her. All right, Nurse, you hit your limit. No more sins for you, ma'am. That needs to be a mod for someone. Alright, yeah, we got fabric softener going in. After that, we're gonna do last call. And then we're gonna do stained glass, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our fake reds. Thank you, alright. Yes, it is. Because I got yellow. Well, I don't want to say what color I got. But I got a few colors for y'all. Alright, this is your time for anybody to add cans or laundry. This is so delicious. Don't stop now. You just did it. Thank you, Careless. Alright, let me grab the fabric softener.